Walking is a powerful exercise. It's free, easy to do, and can transform your health. This isn't about intense workouts. It's about making small, sustainable changes. By simply putting one foot in front of the other, you unlock a world of benefits. Walking is a fantastic way to improve your heart health. It's a simple, low-impact exercise that almost anyone can do, regardless of age or fitness level. When you walk, your heart pumps faster, delivering more oxygen to your body. This increased circulation not only benefits your heart but also your entire cardiovascular system. This strengthens your heart muscle, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the risk of heart disease. Regular walking can also help manage cholesterol levels and improve overall heart function. Walking is also excellent for weight management. It's an effective way to burn calories without putting too much strain on your joints. It burns calories, boosts metabolism, and helps you maintain a healthy weight. Plus, walking can be easily incorporated into your daily routine, making it a convenient option for busy lifestyles. Moreover, it strengthens your muscles and bones. Walking engages various muscle groups, including your legs, core, and even your arms if you use walking poles. Each step you take works your leg muscles, improving strength and endurance. Over time, this can lead to better balance and stability. Walking also increases bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. It's a weight-bearing exercise that helps keep your bones strong and healthy as you age. Walking isn't just good for your body, it's amazing for your mind too. It's a natural stress reliever. When you walk, your brain releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that lift your mood and reduce stress. Regular walks can help combat anxiety and depression. Walking outdoors surrounded by nature amplifies these benefits. The fresh air, the sounds of nature, the calmness of the environment, they all work together to soothe your mind. Section 4. Boosting metabolism and immunity through walking. Walking plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy metabolism. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes. Walking also improves cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Beyond metabolism, walking strengthens your immune system. Studies show that regular walking can increase the number of immune cells in your body. These cells are your body's defense system, fighting off infections and keeping you healthy. Section 5. Inspirational Journeys. Walking the world, one step at a time. The power of walking goes beyond daily strolls. It's a journey that connects us to the world and to ourselves. People around the world have embarked on incredible walking journeys, showcasing remarkable resilience and determination. These journeys are not just about the physical act of walking, but also about the mental and emotional strength required to keep moving forward. Take for instance, the story of Carl Bushby. His journey is a testament to human endurance and the spirit of adventure. In 1998, he set out from Chile on a journey to walk the entire globe. His mission was not just to cover miles but to experience the world in its rawest form. He's faced extreme weather, crossed treacherous terrains, and overcome countless obstacles all on foot. These stories inspire us. They show us that with determination and perseverance we can overcome any challenge. They remind us that we're capable of more than we think. Every step taken is a step towards achieving something greater, towards personal growth and self-discovery. If someone can walk across the world, we can certainly incorporate a 30-minute walk into our day. It's a small commitment with immense benefits for our physical and mental well-being. Section 6. Finding your walking rhythm, a step-by-step guide. You don't need to conquer continents to reap the benefits of walking. Even a short stroll can have a significant impact on your health and well-being. Start small and gradually increase your steps. Begin with a 10-minute walk around your neighborhood and slowly build up your stamina. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. This can be broken down into shorter sessions if needed. That's roughly 5,000 steps. Using a fitness tracker can help you keep track of your progress and stay motivated. Find ways to make walking enjoyable. Whether it's listening to your favorite tunes or catching up on a podcast, make the experience fun. Listen to your favorite music or podcasts. Explore new neighborhoods and discover hidden gems in your area. Walk with a friend or family member. Having a walking buddy can make the activity more enjoyable and keep you accountable. Integrate walking into your daily routine. Walk to work, to the store, or even just around your home. Take the stairs instead of the lift. These small changes can add up to significant health benefits over time. Walk during your lunch break. It's a great way to refresh your mind and body during a busy workday. Park farther away from your destination. This simple habit can help you get more steps in without much extra effort. Track your progress using a fitness tracker or a simple step counting app. Seeing your progress can be incredibly motivating. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small. Remember, consistency is key. Each step you take is a step towards better health. Make walking a habit, and your body and mind will thank you for it. The benefits of regular walking extend beyond physical health to mental well-being. Now lace up your shoes and start walking towards a healthier, happier you. Embrace the journey and enjoy every step you take.